Picture this: a sprawling single-story ranch home with soaring 16-foot ceilings, exposed wooden beams casting shadows across polished concrete floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows flooding your open-concept living space with natural light. Now imagine pulling your car into an attached 3-car garage, walking directly into your dream kitchen with a chef-grade island, and all of this costing you 30 to 40% less than a traditional home. That's the magic of a modern barndominium ranch house. And today I'm breaking down the exact costs, the rustic modern design blend that's dominating 2026. And I'm introducing you to Boss Hog Barndominiums, a builder who specializes in bringing these stunning ranch barndos to life. But before we dive in, if you're serious about building your dream home and want honest breakdowns on costs and designs, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. I upload new content every week that could save you thousands of dollars on your build. Now let's get into it. What is a modern barndominium ranch house? Let's start with the foundation. A barndominium ranch house is a single-story metal-framed home that combines the wide open floor plan and rustic aesthetic of traditional barn architecture with the accessibility and comfort of ranch-style living. No stairs, no wasted vertical space, everything on one level. The modern aspect comes from the clean lines, large windows, contemporary fixtures, and smart home integration. The rustic blend is where it gets interesting. We're talking exposed wooden beams against white shiplap walls, sliding barn doors next to sleek stainless appliances, reclaimed wood accents paired with industrial lighting, and natural stone fireplaces in open-concept great rooms. In 2026, the most popular design trend is what designers call rustic modern fusion. This means you're not choosing between farmhouse charm and contemporary sophistication. You're getting both. Picture vertical metal siding in charcoal gray or classic white with black trim. Then step inside to find vaulted ceilings with dark timber beams, wide plank floors in natural oak, and a kitchen island that could seat 8 people comfortably. The ranch layout means everything flows on one level. Master suite on one wing for privacy, guest bedrooms on the opposite side, and the heart of the home, that massive great room connecting kitchen, dining, and living space, right in the center. The attached car garage, which we'll talk more about in a minute, typically connects directly to a mudroom or utility space, making everyday living incredibly convenient. The rustic modern design elements. Now let's break down the specific design elements that make these homes so striking in 2026. Exterior aesthetics are leading with modern farmhouse vibes. Crisp white or light gray vertical metal siding dominates, paired with bold black standing seam roofs. You're seeing extended roof overhangs that create dramatic shadow lines and protect large covered porches. Black framed windows, oversized in scale, are everywhere. Some homeowners are adding board and batten accents or mixing in horizontal wood-look steel siding to create visual interest. Color trends for exteriors include classic white with black trim, charcoal gray with natural wood accents, sage green with bronze trim, and navy blue with white trim. The key is high contrast that makes the structure pop against rural landscapes. Interior design is where rustic meets modern head-on. Exposed wooden beams, either natural timber or reclaimed barnwood, run across vaulted ceilings that reach 14 to 18 feet at the peak. White or light gray walls, often shiplap or smooth drywall, create bright backdrops. Flooring choices lean toward wide plank engineered hardwood in natural oak, walnut, or hickory, or polished concrete with radiant heat for a true industrial modern feel. The great room concept is central to these designs. Open sight lines from kitchen to dining to living mean you can cook dinner while watching TV and still talk to guests at the dining table. Kitchen islands are statement pieces, often 10 to 12 feet long, with waterfall edge quartz countertops, pendant lighting with industrial or farmhouse fixtures, and seating for 6 to 8 people. Rustic touches include sliding barn doors for bedrooms and bathrooms, stone accent walls or floor to ceiling fireplaces in living areas, exposed metal ductwork or black iron pipe shelving, leather furniture and natural textile throw pillows, and vintage or antique decor pieces mixed with modern art. Modern touches include smart home systems for lighting, climate, and security, stainless steel or black matte appliances, frameless glass shower enclosures, and minimalist hardware in matte black or brushed nickel finishes. The attached car or garage component. Here's where the ranch barndominium really shines for practical, everyday living. The attached car garage isn't an afterthought. It's integrated into the design from day one. Most modern barndominium ranch homes feature 2-car or 3-car attached garages. The garage connects directly to the home through a mudroom or utility room, which means you're never walking outside in bad weather to get to your car. This mudroom space typically includes built-in storage, a bench for removing shoes, hooks for coats, and sometimes a sink for cleaning up. Garage sizes break down like this. A 2-car garage runs 20 by 20 feet to 24 by 24 feet, giving you 400 to 576 square feet. A 3-car garage runs 30 by 20 feet to 36 by 24 feet, providing 600 to 864 square feet. Many homeowners are going with the 3-car option, even if they only have 2 vehicles, because that extra bay becomes workshop space, storage for outdoor equipment, or room for a boat or RV. The garage finishing is often basic but functional. Concrete floors, sometimes with epoxy coating for easy cleaning. Drywall on shared walls with a living space for fire code compliance and noise reduction. Overhead garage doors, typically 9 by 7 feet for standard vehicles or 10 by 10 feet for trucks and SUVs. Basic lighting and electrical outlets, with many adding 220-volt outlets for EV charging or power tools. Cost-wise, adding an attached garage to your barndominium ranch is incredibly cost-effective compared to building a detached garage later. The garage shares the same foundation and roof structure as your home, which saves on materials and labor. You're looking at roughly $40 to $60 per square foot for garage space versus $100 to $120 per square foot for finished living space. Real cost breakdown for a 2,000 square foot ranch with 3-car garage. Let's get into the numbers you actually care about. I'm going to walk you through a realistic build for a 2,000 square foot modern barndominium ranch house with an attached 600 square foot 3-car garage. That's 2,600 square feet total under roof. Shell and foundation costs include building kit for 2,600 square feet at $20 to $35 per square foot, running $52,000 to $91,000. Custom end walls with large windows and garage doors cost $12,000 to $18,000. Foundation, a 4 to 6 inch concrete slab for the entire footprint, costs $15,600 to $36,400. Assembly and erection by professionals runs $10,000 to $18,000. Your shell total comes to $89,600 to $163,400. Interior living space finishing for 2,000 square feet includes spray foam insulation at $1.50 to $5 per square foot, costing $3,000 to $10,000. Interior framing and drywall at $8 to $15 per square foot runs $16,000 to $30,000. Flooring, either engineered hardwood or polished concrete, at $6 to $15 per square foot costs $12,000 to $30,000. Kitchen and bathrooms, which are the most expensive rooms, run $35,000 to $65,000 for mid-range to high-end finishes. Electrical work costs $18,000 to $28,000. Plumbing runs $15,000 to $22,000. HVAC installation costs $12,000 to $18,000. Interior doors, trim, and cabinetry run $20,000 to $35,000. Paint and final finishes cost $6,000 to $10,000. Your living space total is $137,000 to $248,000. Garage finishing for 600 square feet includes basic insulation at $2 per square foot, costing $1,200. Concrete floor finish or epoxy coating costs $1,800 to $3,000. Electrical and lighting runs $2,400 to $4,000. 3 overhead garage doors at $800 to $1,500 each cost $2,400 to $4,500. Drywall on shared walls costs $1,800 to $2,800. Your garage total is $9,600 to $15,500. Additional necessary costs include permits and engineering at $3,000 to $5,000. Well and septic for rural builds cost $15,000 to $35,000, or municipal connections at $5,000 to $15,000. Driveway installation runs $6,000 to $12,000. Landscaping costs $5,000 to $15,000. Covered porch construction at $25 to $50 per square foot for 400 square feet costs $10,000 to $20,000. Your additional costs total $44,000 to $102,000. Grand total ranges from $280,200 to $528,900 for a fully finished 2,000 square foot modern barndominium ranch house with a 600 square foot 3-car garage. That works out to approximately $108 to $204 per square foot for total living and garage space combined. Compare this to a traditional 2,000 square foot ranch home with attached 3-car garage, which typically costs $400,000 to $650,000. You're saving $100,000 to $150,000 with the barndominium approach while getting that distinctive rustic modern aesthetic. For a mid-range realistic build, most people spend around $380,000 to $420,000 total for a beautifully finished modern barndominium ranch with quality materials and fixtures. Why choose Boss Hog Barndominiums? Now let me tell you about Boss Hog Barndominiums, a builder that specializes in exactly these types of modern ranch barndo builds. Boss Hog understands the rustic modern fusion design that's dominating 2026. They work with clients to blend exposed timber beams, natural materials, and contemporary finishes into cohesive designs. Their expertise includes single-story ranch layouts that maximize open-concept living while maintaining practical flow, integrated garage designs that connect seamlessly to mudrooms and utility spaces, and customization options for everything from exterior siding colors to interior beam placement. They handle the entire process from initial design through final construction, which means you have one point of contact instead of coordinating multiple contractors. Boss Hog Barndominiums has experience with the specific challenges of barndominium construction, like proper insulation for metal buildings, integrating large window walls without compromising structural integrity, and creating that perfect balance of rustic charm and modern convenience. If you're considering a modern barndominium ranch house build, reach out to Boss Hog Barndominiums for a consultation. They can walk you through design options, provide accurate cost estimates for your specific location, and show you examples of completed ranch barndos that match your vision. Design size options and layouts. Let's talk about popular size options for modern barndominium ranch houses with garages. The 1,500 square foot ranch with 2-car garage totals 1,900 square feet under roof. This works perfectly for couples, retirees, or small families. You get 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open great room. Total cost runs $210,000 to $380,000 turnkey. The 2,000 square foot ranch with 3-car garage totals 2,600 square feet under roof. This is the sweet spot for most families. You can fit 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, a dedicated office, and a spacious great room. Total cost runs $280,000 to $530,000 turnkey. The 2,500 square foot ranch with 3-car garage totals 3,100 square feet under roof. This gives you luxury ranch living with 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a home office, and perhaps a dedicated media room or craft room. Total cost runs $340,000 to $650,000 turnkey. Popular layout configurations include master suite on one wing, with guest bedrooms on the opposite wing for maximum privacy. All bedrooms clustered on one side, with living spaces on the other for noise separation, or split bedroom plans with master isolated from secondary bedrooms. The key is that great room concept in the center, creating a hub that connects all areas of the home. Honest pros and cons. Let me give you the honest truth about modern barndominium ranch houses. The pros are significant. Cost savings of 30 to 40% compared to traditional construction mean more house for your money. Single-story living eliminates stairs, making these homes perfect for aging in place or anyone with mobility concerns. Open floor plans with vaulted ceilings create a sense of spaciousness that feels larger than the actual square footage. The rustic modern aesthetic is timeless, not trendy, so these homes won't look dated in 10 years. Integrated garages add convenience and protect vehicles from weather. Fast construction timelines mean you could be moved in within 6 to 9 months from breaking ground. Low-maintenance metal exteriors never need painting and resist rot, termites, and fire. The cons are worth considering too. Single-story homes require larger lot sizes since you're spreading out instead of building up. Some lenders are hesitant to finance barndominiums, though this is improving as they become more common. You'll need proper insulation, specifically spray foam, to prevent condensation and maximize energy efficiency. Resale markets vary, with rural areas embracing barndos more readily than suburban neighborhoods. Zoning restrictions in some areas may prohibit metal residential structures or have design requirements. A modern barndominium ranch house with rustic blends and an attached car garage represents one of the best value propositions in housing for 2026. You're getting a distinctive home that combines timeless rustic charm with contemporary convenience, all while saving significant money compared to traditional construction. The single-story layout makes these homes accessible and comfortable for any stage of life. The attached garage integration means practical everyday living without compromises. And that rustic modern design blend, with exposed beams, natural materials, and clean contemporary finishes, creates spaces that feel both warm and sophisticated. If this sounds like your dream home, reach out to Boss Hog Barndominiums to start your design journey. They have the expertise to bring your vision to life while keeping you on budget and on schedule. Thanks for watching. If you found this cost breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content about barndominium builds and alternative housing. Drop a comment below telling me what size ranch barndo you build, and check out my other videos on barndominium designs and cost comparisons. I'll see you in the next one.